Namaste everyone. We'll be looking into the meanings for today's session, that is from 19. So let's start. Tasya loka pradhanasya jagannathasya bhupate Vishnunnaama sahasram Vishnu papa bhayapaham. So here Bhishma Pitamaha is telling to Yudhishthira that Jagannatha means, I already told you, the one who takes care of the people. So see Yudhishthira, he is a Jagannatha, he is a Bhupati, the supreme ruler for this entire universe. About this Bhagavan, Shrunu, listen, I am going to tell you Sahasram. So Vishnur Nama Sahasram, about this Vishnu, I am going to tell you the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu, who is the one who removes Shrunu Papa Bhayapaham. Just by listening, he is the one who removes the sin, Papa, and the Bhaya, that is a fear. That is the meaning for the 19th stanza. We'll go with the 20. Yani namani gaunani vikhyatani mahatmanaha rishibhi parigitani tani vakshami bhutaye. So here Bhishma Pitamaha is telling that I shall tell you the nama. The nama is the names of this Mahatma. The Mahatma is a very supreme person, supreme being. He is the one who gives all the kind of gaunani, vikhyatani, the fame and the good and the prosperity, wealth, everything, just by listening these nama of Lord Vishnu. And this is the nama which is being sung by all the rishi. So Rishibhihi Parigitani Tani Vakshami Bhutaye. So which is very well known and very well sung by all the rishis. 20th. Rishannama Sahasrasya Veda Vyaso Mahamunihi Chando Anushtab Tatha Devo Bhagavan Devaki Sutaha. So here Bhishma Pitamaha is telling that, see Yudhishthira, this Sahasranama is composed by the greatest sage Vyasa, Veda Vyasa, and it is written in Anushtab Chandas. So Chandas, what is Chandas? Chandas is basically the meter, the poetic meter. So remember, in English or any regional languages, there will be a poem which will be 3 lines, 4 lines. So this is the poetic meter which is named as a Anushtab Chandas. Chandas mean the poetic meter, and the name of the Chandas is the Anushtab. This entire Sahasranama is composed in Anushtab Chandas meter and composed by Veda Vyasa. So about whom? The Lord Vishnu, who is a Devaki Sutta. Sutta means a son, Devaki. He is a son of a Devaki. It's the meaning for the 20th stanza. 21st stanza, sorry. Amrutam Shuddho Bijam Shakti Devaki Nandana Trisamradhyam Tasyam Shantyatevni Ijjate. So here Bhishma Pitamaha is telling to Yudhishthira that Bija means a seed. Vishnu Bhagavan, he is a seed for this entire universe. Without him, there is no creation. So he is a Shakti, he is a strength, he is a power for Devaki Nandana. So this Devaki Nandana is a strength, is a power. So his name has that power, his name has that strength. Trisama Hridayam Tasyam Shantyatevni Ijjate. Trisama. So here, Sama means the Sama Veda. So in the Sama Veda, there are a lot of hymns, the shlokas, which is very fond for Bhagavan Vishnu. So he is the one who is being praised by Trisama, and he is the one, the ultimate goal for Bhagavan Vishnu is for the Shanti, to attain Shanti. Shantyatevni Ijjate. 23. Vishnum Jishnum Maha Vishnum Prabha Vishnum Maheshwaram Aneka Rupa Daityantam Namami Purushottamam. So here at the last Bhishma Pitamaha is telling, so before I start with the Sahasranama, we have to bow. I bow before him. That Vishnu who is there everywhere, Jishnu is always victorious, Mahavishnu is a very great, and Prabha Vishnu means he is a god of all the gods. Maheshwara, he is the leader for every being. Aneka Rupa, who has multiple forms. Aneka Rupa. Daityantam, Daitya means the demon. So he is the killer of a Daitya. Namami Purushottamam, I bow my head, I show my salutation to this greatest Purusha. So that is the meaning for the 23rd stanza. So here the Bhishma Vacha will complete. After this, I already told you, we have a Nyasa. So what is this basically Nyasa? Nyasa, which gives the information about what is the stotram that we are learning, and who is the composer of this stotram, which is the poetic meter, the Chandas, the name of the Chandas, and the deity, which is the deity, the kind of a deity, the description of the deity. So everything will start, and I'll say that I'm going to start my meditation, start my Sahasranama by reciting a Nyasa. So this is the importance of a Nyasa. Asya Shri Vishnu Divya Sahasranaama Stotra Mahamantrasya. So what is the meaning of this one? So here it says, for this sacred chant. So which is the sacred chant? The sacred chant is Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Mahamantrasya, the 1,000 names of Bhagavan Vishnu. Shri Vedavyaso Bhagavan Rishihi. Who is the composer? The composer is a Vedavyasa. It is being written by Vedavyasa and given to the humankind. In the form of, in the poetic meter, which poetic meter? Anushtup Chandas. In the poetic meter, Anushtup Chandas. Shri Mahavishnu Paramatma Sriman Narayano Devata. About which deity? The deity name is Bhagavan Vishnu, Sriman Narayana. So about Vishnu, about Narayana, who is in the form of this entire universe. Now we have the little bit of information about the Bhagavan Vishnu. Amritamshodhavo Bhanuriti Bijam. So here he'll tell Amritamshodhavo Bhanuriti Bijam. Again, get the same meaning from the previous one, the 21st stanza where we had. He is a seed for this entire universe, which says that he is immortal. That is the meaning for Amritamshodhavo Bhanuriti Bijam. Bhanu is a Surya, and for this Janma, he is a seed. Devaki Nandana Srashtiti Shakti. Again, take the meaning from the previous. Shakti is a power. He is the power. So, he is the son of a Devaki. He is the creator. He is the power. He is the sustainer for the entire universe. Udbhavak Shobhano Deva iti Paramo Mantraha. Udbhava means the one which conceives, one which emerges on his own. So Vishnu is the one who has emerged on his own. That is the power. That is the Parama. He is the Parama. He is the ultimate source of energy in this universe. Shanka Brandandaki Chakriti Kilakam. So now we are talking that what all the things that Bhagavan Vishnu is holding. He is holding a Shanka, Nandaka is a sword name, and Chakra, Sudarshana Chakra. Shrajgadhanva Gadadhara Ityastram. Again, what is he holding? Shrajgadhanva. So he is having the bow and arrow, and Astra is a weapon. Rathangapani Rakshobhya iti Netram. Rathangapani is called as a Rathangapani because he is the one who was riding a chariot, Ratha, in Kurukshetra for Arjuna. So he is called as a charioteer, Rathangapani, the one who will protect us. Rathangapani Rakshobhya. Raksha means to protect. And like eyes. Iti netram, like eyes, he will protect his devotees. Trisamas samagas sameti kavacham. Again, go back to the 21st or the 22nd stanza where we covered. I told you, he is the one who loves that song, which is being mentioned in the Samaveda. So, he is the one who loves, who is being glorified with the songs. So, he loves that one. Okay, Kavacha means the one he is wearing the armor. Anandam Parabrahmeti Yonihi. Ananda is a bliss, the happiness. He is the infinite happiness. He is like a Yoni. Yoni is a womb. So mother carries a baby in her womb, right? So she will be very happy about that baby. So similarly, Bhagavan Vishnu is holding every one of us in this the entire universe, and he is having that motherly nature. He is that infinite bliss. So every womb, as the life emerges from here to the universe. So that is the meaning from Anandam Parabrahmeti Yonihi. With the Sudarshana Kala iti Digbandaha. So he is the one who is holding a Sudarshana Chakra. He is the Kala. Kala is a time. So he is the one who is guarding this entire life, entire universe. Shri Vishwarupati Dhyanam. So he is the one who has shown the Vishwarupa to the Arjuna, right? So I am going to meditate on that Vishwarupa of Lord Bhagavan Vishnu. That is the meaning for Vishwarupa iti Dhyanam. Now I am going to start my meditation. I visualize, I'll imagine Bhagavan Vishnu. Shri Mahavishnu Prityarte Sahasranama Parayana Jape Viniyogaha. So now let us all engage in the Parayana. Parayana means the chanting of Bhagavan Vishnu, and let's receive his grace. Prityate Shri Sahasranama Parayana Jape Viniyogaha. So this entire thing, the Nyasa, it will give us a little bit of information about what is that Sahasranama that we are going to learn, who is the composer, which is the meter, and how is the deity, and why are we praying to that deity. So this gives this information. Next one is a dhyana, which gives extended information, a little bit of a detailing explanation, how basically the Bhagavan Vishnu he looks like, which is very, very important for us. Before starting with the Sahasranama, it's very important and equally important for us to know how the deity is basically. So So for which deity we are praying? We as a human beings, we have a tendency that without visualizing anything, we won't be able to give a concentration to the 100%. We might miss our attention, we might miss our focus, right? Because of that reason, Dhyanam is like a foundation, a very great foundation, powerful foundation, which help us to bring our concentration and attention to that Sahasranaama, and which will help us to visualize the deity. Actually, the Brahman doesn't have any kind of a form. He is a Nirakara, and also he is the one who has Akara. So this is what we learn as we go forward, right? We learn the same thing. We understand that he is the one who doesn't have any kind of Akara. We can worship him in any kind of a form. But as of now, we need that concentration. Without concentration, we won't be able to do our karma. So because of that reason, we have to do visualization of a deity. So Dhyanam is the one part which will help us to visualize Bhagavan Vishnu. So here we complete the meaning for today's class. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. You can just message me. I hope you have understood. I have tried to make the meanings much simpler, as simple as possible. See you in the next video. Namaste.